Hello, my fellow creatives. Are you a professional in the entertainment industry who has followed the advice of all the books, spent your last, even your 401k, and still being asked to jump through yet more hoops in this industry? I think it's time. I think you might be prime for an Exodus experience. Come out this Sunday, January 20th, to Old Bowie Town Grille for Exodus Blue, where creatives discover and do. This is where you learn how to see and think about your art differently. Come on out this Sunday, 2:30 p.m., Old Bowie Town Grille, 8604 Chestnut Street, Bowie, Maryland. Come find out information to how to look at your art differently, find out about information about operations and way to run your backup office for your arts a little differently, also get a different perspective. Our topic for this Sunday is copyright, music publishing, and licensing. One of the first things we'll talk about is understanding that whole music publishing continuum and how that thing works. And this is good information, whether you're a singer, songwriter, filmmaker looking to license music to put in your film, or you're a creator and you want to find out how to get your music out there. You've written it or you're in the process of writing it and you're trying to get it in the right places so that you can finally see a royalties check. This is where you want to be. This Sunday, Exodus Blue, where creatives discover and do. So come on out. This is a workshop series. It's about teaching. It's free, so you can get your tickets on Eventbrite. Come on out and join us. It's family friendly. So whether somebody's a creative that's a teenager or they're older creative, doesn't matter. This event is for all ages if you are serious about being able to use your art effectively to support communities and think about it a little differently. So come on out, learn more. Exodus Blue, where creatives discover and do, this Sunday.